The second thing that is known as drop, that I'll tell you now. What drop is? Player is player is behind. Okay, you are here. You do a slice, you know. So what slice do is slice in such a way that ball go and just drop near to the net, and after tip, after bounce, speed will decrease, so it won't go this trajectory, it won't follow this trajectory. In spite of this trajectory, what it will do is it will just fall here. So if this player is like Nadal, Rafael Nadal, who plays way behind the baseline, the time he'll reach here, till that the ball will have already taken 2 bounces, so the point will be yours. So what you have to do is you have to drop. If the player is far behind the baseline, this is baseline, this end line is called baseline, and if player is near net, then what you have to do is you have to play an lob shot. So what we have discussed today is forehand when ball is to your right, backhand when ball is to your left, both forehand topspin, backhand topspin, forehand slice, this one is slice, backhand slice, then forehand topspin, backhand topspin, then this is lob, this one is lob, and then drop, this one is drop. And volley, when player is near to the net, he hits the ball, volley. And when you place a lob and player smashes, that is known as smash. This is smash, Pete Sampras trying a smash. Okay, so now we'll discuss broadly how main points are taken. I mean how technically you should play. Okay, now we'll discuss how technically you should play so that the point is yours. I mean, let us make 2 players. Player A is over here. Okay, player B is over here. Okay, so let us say, okay, no, let's do it again. Player is serving from here, player B is here. Okay, so let us talk about serve. So the best serve will be when he hits from here on this side. What will happen is when he'll hit from here on this side, then the ball will tip here and ball will go so far away from this player that he won't be able to receive it. So if you are serving in this area, this one, then the serve is very good. The second one is, but remember, you have to serve in this region only, because if you serve in this region, then the ball will tip here and go here, so he can easily pick it up. So if you want to do a good serve, then you have to hit into this area. That is known as cross court service, because this is center and you are serving cross court, so he won't be able to pick this one. And if he is not able to even touch the ball in a tip, then the serve is known as ace, ace. The second what he can do is he can serve in this area at this point. So what are the advantages of hitting here is, if ball comes here and hit here, it will went straight away, so he will not able to pick it up, so point will be yours. But if your serve is hitting at this point, then after bounce your speed will ball will get a bounce and he can pick. So if you want to do a good serve, then this is the block, or what you can do is you can serve in this block. So these 2 blocks, if you serve in these 2 blocks, point have major chances that the point will be yours. The serve have major chances that the point will be yours. Now what if you hit the serve in this region? So this player, he have a great advantage, because he gets a ball into his hand. Suppose ball is here, so what he can do is he can play 2 shots. Either he can play directly on this side, known as down the line, because this is the line and he's playing shots down the line. This is known as down the line shot. Or he can do is he can play in this side. This shot is known as cross court shot, because you can see that this is the court divided into two parts. He's playing shot in another court, another side, that is cross court. He's hitting from this side and cross across this side. So this shot is known as cross court shot. Again, we have 2 points here, like if he hits down the line in this region, then the ball will be very fast in its aerial speed will be very high, and it tips here and went away, and before he reaches here it went away, so point is yours. But if on the cross court, if he hits here, then what will be the result? If you hit ball here, then he can easily pick it up. Although your aerial speed is high, but he can pick it up because he is nearer to ball. So what you should do is hit the ball in this region. So what will happen is you hit the ball in this region, ball take a tip and it went away, so he won't be able to reach here and play this shot. So the two reason where you can take point is this one, known as down the line. This is if you play any shot in this region is known as down the line shot. If you play any shot in this region, known as cross court shot. Okay, so if you want to take a point, hit here or here, then point will be yours. There are two more terms that we'll discuss. That is, what is the length of your shot? If your shot is in this portion, I mean, if it bounces in this portion, in this region, then the shot is short court shot, because it is near, very near. Short court shot. Short court shot. Okay, but if you hit the ball in this region, then the shot is deep because it is away from the net, so you hit a deep shot. So a deep shot is more favorable for you, because when you hit the shot deep, he have to put himself a lot behind this baseline to get in a position to play a nice shot. But if you hit short court, then he don't have any problem in receiving it. He can easily adjust himself according to the shot. So finally, I would like to sum up again what we have discussed. We have discussed service, forehand, backhand, topspin, slice, drop, lob, down the line shot, cross court shot, services, how to do a good serve, then short court shot and deep shot. That's it for today.